This is an excerpt from the New York Times, November 4th, 2015 documentary, Beware the Fine Print.
I'm calling JD Barrider. Norman speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, how you doing, sir?
Let's say the consumer goes to buy a car.
My vehicles broke down.
Okay.
A 99 Ford Explorer and a 95 Cadillac DeVille.
We can take both of those trade-ins you got right now if you want.
So it's time for them to sign the paperwork. They're told, don't worry about this. It's all standard. Arbitration is a big word. It's a word most people don't understand. The arbitration clause is usually buried in a contract. I've seen them in car contracts, credit card contracts, cell phone contracts. I mean, if they would put in the contract, you are agreeing to waive a constitutional right, well, that may get people's attention.
Our deal. We had to watch a video.
JD Byrider dealerships utilize alternative dispute resolution provisions, sometimes called arbitration agreements.
When we got to the arbitration part, to where they said this was just to save us from attorney's fees, Jay explained to us that we had actually signed our right of way to a jury trial.
I was the arbitrator in the Martin Bowen case. I was the person who heard the case, decided the case, and what do you want to know about it?
Because I've never had to before in any state.
Had you ever bought a car from JD Byrider before?
No.
It felt like the arbitrator didn't care.
So even though you
It worked out for the car dealer, not the consumer.
We signed, yes, we signed a lot of paperwork that night, yes.
So then you did agree that night to get the Maryland driver's licenses to JD Byrider?
I agreed, yes.
The arbitrator determined that the Martin Bowens were entitled to their down payment and their trades back, which amounted to about $3,500.
It's possible they might have recovered more money in front of a jury because the jury would have responded more to their emotional reaction to what happened.
Which is why corporations love arbitration.
I hate to admit this, I probably shouldn't admit it publicly. I thought what happened wasn't really, at the end of the day, really fair. But if you signed the contract, you're bound by it. Caveat emptor. Let the buyer beware.
Please sign Senate Bill 1376, Forced Arbitration and Justice Repeal Act. Please, please.